Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fantastic Halloween decoration that's sure to bring some festive spirit to your home, the best Wreath Halloween. This delightful wooden ghost door wreath is perfect for welcoming trick-or-treaters and adding a touch of spooky charm to your front porch. What sets this wreath apart is its unique design. Crafted with classic Halloween elements, it features retro pumpkins, adorable ghosts, and a slightly spooky black cat, all accented with the welcoming message, "Welcome." The combination of these elements creates an inviting yet playful atmosphere, making it a wonderful addition to your seasonal decor. This extra-large wreath is designed to fit any door or window, whether you have a traditional wooden door or a modern glass entryway. Measuring a generous size, it's made from lightweight yet sturdy wood, ensuring it lasts throughout the Halloween season and beyond. Hanging this wreath is a breeze. It comes with a thickened, 2-inch door plate and a handmade hemp rope, so you won't have to worry about it getting damaged or falling down. Whether you choose to display it indoors or outdoors, it's sure to catch the eye of guests and passers-by alike. This wreath isn't just for Halloween, it's also perfect for Thanksgiving and autumn gatherings. Its cheerful design can complement your fall decor, making it a versatile piece that you can enjoy all season long. Handcrafted with care, this wreath embodies quality and creativity. It makes for an ideal gift for friends and family who love to celebrate the season, or a charming addition to your own home decor. So, if you're looking for a way to spruce up your Halloween decor, look no further than the best Wreath Halloween. It combines fun, quality, and a touch of whimsy that makes it a must-have for this festive season. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you love what you see, make sure to check the link in the description to get your own Halloween wreath today. Happy Halloween, and don't forget to subscribe for more product insights.